Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove friends from Game Center on Mac. So over time, your Game Center friends list can grow quite a bit. And if there are people who no longer play games or you simply like to keep your friend list organized, you can remove them anytime. Removing someone from your friends list only affect your Game Center connections with that person. It doesn't delete your Apple account or remove them from your contacts. So if you'd like to remove someone from your Game Center friend list, then first click on the Apple logo at the top and here choose system settings. After that, scroll down and then go to Game Center. Now here in the right side, you can see friends section. So click on all friends and games app will open. Here you can see your total friends. If you would like to remove someone from your list, then click on their name and after that click on the three dot at the top right of the window, and from here you can choose remove friend when the menu prompt. After that a confirmation pop-up will appear. Here click on remove friend again, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.